This is Tom Eldridge. Tom is a single male Capricorn in his mid-20s. While many of Tom's friends are out enjoying themselves on a Saturday night, Tom is at home alone because he's an asshole. Tom works, most days a week, as a telecommunications consultant in a call center, which is exactly as boring as it sounds. My name is Jerry Rothschild, and this is Monkey on My Back.
Get in the car!
Okay. Today, though, Tom's going to his weekly appointment with Dr. Ira Weintraub because he's crazy, and he might go on a murderous rampage at a petting zoo.
You're an idiot.
Tom used to be the lead guitarist of a prominent techno glam metal band, till he punched the daughter of the lead keyboardist.
It never happened!
Get a load of the freaks.
Really?
Come on, Bucky! We're trying to save this relationship!
Tom Eldridge and his on-screen narrator.
Now in the office of Dr. Weintraub, Tom discusses how as a boy, he was aroused by photos of his male cousins.
See what I mean? He's like this all the time.
Now, Jerry, we've talked about this before. I really request that while we're in counseling, that you wouldn't fabricate your narration.
I'm sorry, Doctor. I think we all know how sensitive Tom can be.
Okay, now Tom, I want you to elaborate on what we talked about last week. Tell me again about the early days. Was Jerry still narrating accurately?
You mean when he was accurate all the time?
So now he's opening a program that appears to be Excel, and so he's dodged the internet link to the pornography, and so no, I apologise. I am sorry. It is PowerPoint. It is not.
It is not PowerPoint.
It's no. What is it then?
It is
what
Excel.
It's Excel.
Yeah, it's been a real whirlwind adventure.
Okay, we're going to do something a little different this week. We're going to do a bit of role play. So I want you to act as if you were each other so you could say the things that you normally wouldn't say. So Tom, why don't you start?
Alright, I'm narrating you, Tom, in a derogatory sense because perhaps I am uncomfortable with myself.
My name's Tom. I work in the call centre with the telephone and I say hello on the telephone, but there's a banana at some point in my mouth.
What voice is that?
That's you, Tom, because you sound like this because you love all the fibre in the diet, so you put the fruit in your mouth.
He's not even taking this seriously.
Okay, well, let's talk about something else.
Well,
My name's Tom and now I've got a pineapple because I'm so Indian. I love Robert Smith from The Cure and he likes to Hawaiian pizza, so now I've got a pineapple.
Jerry, please, take a seat.
Ah!
Is this behavior always like this?
No, not you again.
Sorry.
I mean, he doesn't even need sleep. He's not even a man. He's a film technique.
Well, you shouldn't even need sleep. I mean, haven't you seen a film about people your age always doing a shot or having the sex or typing on the Facebook? I mean, live a little.
Okay, Jerry, what are your suggestions?
Here are some thoughts. Keep your questions till the end.
You are viewing the landscape of the mind. It is like a foreign country where people are always yelling at you. Tom is a traveler of this land. He travels with his guitar. No, smash the guitar, Tom, actually. He travels with his saxophone. Play the saxophone, Tom. Now Tom is running with the saxophone. Play the saxophone again, Tom.
Why are you German?
I didn't tell you my ideas to have them judged.
Jerry, no one's here to judge you. This is a safe place. In fact, I think we've reached a breakthrough.
No, we haven't had a breakthrough, you know? You can't change who I am. You knew who I was when you started narrating me, and it's not working out, and I think maybe it's time that you narrate somebody else.
You should at least think about the sax.
Wow, this is really tremendous. I can't think of a better time to tell you that I'm actually going to charge double for this week.
Hi, Dr. Weintraub. It's Tom Eldridge here. I'm just letting you know I'm cancelling my appointment for tomorrow at 2. Jerry's gone. He's not narrating me anymore. It's been about 3 days, and I haven't seen him at all. So I guess I just wanted to say thank you for all your help. Have a good day.
Dr. Ira Weintraub, accredited relationship counselor and ex-adult film actor.
Ah, son of a bitch.